Welcome to Monroe, Michigan, our home base and the heart of more than 100 years of ride control innovation. This is where many of our Monroe shock absorbers are designed, engineered, and tested. Where quality and innovations aren't just things we talk about, we prove them. Every Monroe product starts in here with one goal: delivering ride control solutions that perform out there, any road, and any vehicle.
With advanced engineering labs and environmental testing chambers, our teams are testing for it all: noise, vibration, harshness, durability, and control.
Across our facilities, we combine generations of experience with state-of-the-art equipment. Monroe's been building what's next in ride control since 1916, and we're just getting started.
That same spirit drives every product line, from Quick-Strut and OESpectrum to our newest line, Monroe Restore.
This is Monroe, engineered here, tested here, and trusted everywhere.